rain just started. I'll do a quick review on Gorilla Grip gloves. Got them at Walmart earlier this year. Been over weed eating the garden. About ready to quit. Looks like it's getting ready to rain. Been using these when I'm over weeding. Got about garbage bag here full of weeds that I've done picked. They're pretty good. Garden here's got a bunch of thorny plants in it. It's one of the main reasons I brought them over here. Brought the gloves with me. They'll protect my hands from thorny plants. They're providing some protection from them. I get a chance, I'm gonna give me a pair of work gloves. Might be a little more thicker, more appropriate for this kind of work. They're doing pretty good. They're pretty good. Gorilla Grip gloves. I got them at Walmart earlier this year. Back in sporting goods and survival gear, outdoor gear, stuff like that. They're back in that area. I don't remember how much I paid for them.